Hi. A lot of times when you change your shaft and sheath, or just the shafting, you get harmonic vibration. It vibrates a lot right after you do that. And what that is caused by sometimes is you haven't set the silencer spring into the inner wall of the sheath. And what I mean by set, I mean it kind of sticks in there with the grease and it doesn't rotate at the same frequency and vibration and rotational speed as the inner shaft. This is the silencer spring for the square drive heavy duty shafting, and that's usually already inside your sheath. This silencer spring here is already swagged on when we put the tips on the shaft for the key tip shafting. So what you need to do is you need to run the motor heavy and fast for 15 to 20 minutes, okay, as fast as you can with no handpiece on it. And the best thing to do is to work it like this, okay? And then all of a sudden you'll start to feel it vibrate a lot less. Sometimes it doesn't happen when you change your shaft and sheath. Sometimes it does. Just telling you, just in case you feel it, that's the way to go.